be successful in life. Telling you this, listen, you don't have to accept the life that's been given to you. Everything that you need to be successful, you already have it. There's a person on the inside of you that has to come out. And it's the teacher's job and duty to bring that other person out in order for you to be successful so you can get mom in that gated community. It's the teacher's job and duty to make sure that they love on you so that way you ain't got to deal with all the stress that you're dealing with. I understand is that all we do is what? Win! So therefore, all we do is win. And I know that there were people that were before us, Malcolm X, Sojourner Truth, Marcus Garvey, Dr. Martin Luther King. These were people that were before us, and they fought for us in order for us to have the ability to be successful in the capacity that we need to be. And I asked, who want to be successful? I think everybody's hand went up. So if we want to be successful, then you got to conduct yourself like a winner. You got to study like a winner. You got to take that test like a winner. I want you to say your name, your first name, and then I want you to say that I am valuable. Now listen to me, this is what it's going to sound like. You'll say, Logan is valuable. April is valuable. Miss Carson is valuable. Like, you say your first name and then say I am valuable. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on, say it like you did. 1, 2, 3. Say it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I promise you, your life gonna get better. Because listen, education is the way for you to get out. Whether you realize it or not,